Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and living life. Today I am filming 24 hours eating Halloween food. And of course I'm wearing orange today for Halloween. Halloween has actually always been my favourite time of year. Ever since I was little I used to practice my Halloween makeup for months and months ahead of Halloween. Also, please excuse my voice because I am ill, coming out of a cold right now, but I'll be fine. Yeah, excuse my voice if I sound a little bit groggy. Today, we're only going to be eating Halloween food for 24 hours. It's going to be tricky. One, because it's only sweets and chocolate, and two, because I don't eat gluten. It's going to be tricky, it's going to be a challenge. We're going to head to Starbucks, we're going to head to a few supermarkets and check them all out. So yeah, let's crack on with the day because I am starving. Okay guys, I've just pulled outside some supermarkets. I'm going to head in and see what Halloween bits they've got. It's very, very busy. I've just seen someone I know. So not too sure how much I'm going to be able to film in there, but we'll see. I'll try my hardest. But yeah, fingers crossed they've got some good Halloween bits. Right guys, I'm just in B&M and they've got a humongous aisle full of Halloween bits. So I'm going to pick up loads and show you. Right, so here is a humongous stand full of literally like eyeballs, fangs, and then down here, and then they've got a massive aisle here full of Halloween sweets as well. I think I'm going to pick up these Haribo Scare Mix, that's for me. Okay, now I'm just going to pop into Aldi because I want to get a pumpkin to make pumpkin soup. Okay, just come out of all the shops. I've been to about 3 supermarkets. Didn't show you because I want to give you a little haul when we go back, but it's been quite successful. A lot of sweets, a lot of chocolate. It is a lot harder because I'm gluten-free, but you know what? That's okay. We love a challenge. Someone also just asked for my number, which is brilliant. Said I've got a boyfriend. Wasn't feeling it. Too much information for the vlog, but thought I'd let you know. But yeah, I think now I'm gonna drive to Starbucks, get a spooky Halloween drink. Hopefully they've got some nice ones, but obviously I'll bring you with me. Okay, I'm pulling up outside Starbucks. Gonna see what Halloween bits they've got. Oh my god, they've got Cherry Scream. I'm gonna get that. Oh, they've got Pumpkin Spice, they've got Cherry Scream. The Cherry Scream is a chilling mix of cherry and vanilla topped with a spooky surprise. I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get that.
Hello, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you today?
Hi, please can I get the Cherry and Scream?
We don't, unfortunately. We sold out of it in the local area, if not further.
Okay, do you have any other Halloween drinks?
I've got pumpkin spice, yeah.
Yeah.
I can do that as a latte or as a frappuccino.
Please can I get that as a frappuccino, please?
Yeah, not a problem. Pumpkin spice frappuccino with or without coffee?
Without, please.
What size?
Just a medium.
Yeah, anything else for you?
Please can I get that with oat milk as well, please?
Yeah, not a problem. Anything else?
No, thank you.
You want that one with vegan milk then instead of the regular that comes on it?
Yeah, vegan would be lovely, thank you.
Yeah, not a problem. Window of that happy then.
Don't know if you heard that. They've got no Cherry and Scream. That's really upsetting. But instead, I got the pumpkin frap. I've never actually tried that. I've tried the pumpkin spice latte, but I've got the pumpkin spice frap. Not sure if I'm gonna like that, but we're gonna give it a go because this is a Halloween vlog. But yeah, a bit gutted about the cherry drink. But to be honest, I don't really like cherry. Like, I don't really like glazed cherries and stuff. So I suppose that's a blessing. It's a blessing in disguise. Oh my god, my voice is literally so croaky. I'm gonna have some Halloween snacks in a minute as well. Look at these eyeballs.
You ready? Oat milk pumpkin spice?
Yes, thank you.
Can you 505 all together for me?
Thank you.
Nice one, 3 seconds.
Okay, got my drink. Ow, oh shit, I've just spilt that. Oh my god, it's literally leaking. Why wouldn't you put the lid on? Matches my top though. Okay. To be honest, I actually quite like that. I actually really prefer that to the hot pumpkin spice latte. I really like that. Vegan cream. Delicious. I'm quite glad that the Scream drink wasn't there. Let me show you a picture of what the Scream drink looked like. This. That's what the Scream drink was, and it was cherry, and like I said earlier, I don't like cherry, so I blessing. Really nice. My camera is about to die. I need to go home and charge it and make some Halloween food because bloody hell, I am starving. But yeah, 10 out of 10 for this. Pleasantly surprised. Didn't think I'd like this. Delicious. Would actually highly recommend if you like pumpkin. I'm going to be having so much pumpkin today. For dinner, I've got something pumpkin. Not sure if I've mentioned it yet. Right guys, just come back from Starbucks. Finished my pumpkin spice frappuccino. Caitlin's over there cooking her dinner.
Hello.
Lovely. She's not eating Halloween food. I'm jealous.
Some pumpkin soup.
She's gonna have some pumpkin soup later. But I thought I'd give you a haul of everything I bought. Haribo Scare Mix. £4 from B&M. Gutted. She said bargain, I said gutted. So not a bargain. And also, where did I get these from? I think I got these from Poundland. Goggly eyes, so we're having a very nutritious lunch. Scary cheese strings. That's what I bought. Also going to have that for lunch. And then the last thing I bought for lunch. It's been very difficult with this whole gluten. There was a lot of cake mixes, brownies, cookies, but not gluten-free versions. So we've gone for sweets and chocolate. These are Freddos and Friends. I think these are the Halloween version, but I did have a little look inside and there's nothing really that spooky in there. So I think they've just, you know, marketing all that. And then went to Aldi. This is for my dinner. Here we go.
I've written this down.
No.
Kettle.
Oh no, this would be a nice thumbnail.
Imagine.
Imagine with my pumpkin. So yeah, I'm going to make pumpkin soup because I've actually made it once before. It's actually really easy. It's just pumpkin, coconut milk, chicken stock. Yeah, that is everything that I bought. Obviously I had my pumpkin frap, which I actually really enjoyed. Way prefer it to the hot spice pumpkin latte. I like the frappuccino a lot better. Now lunchtime, really hungry over here. I'm going to try one of these goggly eyeballs. I'm literally going to have 0 fruit and veg today. Actually 1, pumpkin. Coconut, is that one? Wow, really cool. I'm definitely going to have a sugar crash later. What are you making over there, Caitlin?
Chicken, rice and veg.
Beautiful.
Very Halloweeny.
Very Halloweeny. Right, no gluten, no nuts. Cheers.
What is that? Eyeball.
Eyeball.
Delicious.
Really good eyeball. Best one I've ever had. Doesn't look like one at all. Lovely, camera's fully charged. Beautiful. Next up, I'm going to try on my lunch as well, these cheese strings. They're scary. No idea why they're scary, but we'll have a look. Just got some really cool, scary characters on. What are they? Frankenstein. Taste to see if these taste any different. Yummy! Exactly the same.
Just a video of you eating the cheese.
That's really nice. Do you want to show the camera? This is Caitlin's dinner. Oh! I think that looks really nice. Yeah. Right, last thing for lunch. I know, very nutritious. I know. It's been a struggle. Are these Freddo and Friends?
Where's the scariness?
I don't know, I think it's the Friends.
Oh.
Oh. And we're in the Halloween section. But I'm just going to eat a Freddo.
Happy Freddo.
Lovely. A bit more sugar. That's what we love. Don't worry, dinner will be the best part of this video. I'll show you how to make it. It's really nice, made it before. Pumpkin soup. Really easy.
Delish. These beans are really good.
Really?
I'll give you one, but it's not Halloweeny.
Can't even try it. Good lunch.
Great lunch.
Right, that's my lunch done. I will see you at dinner. Pumpkin soup. Okay guys, so it is now dinner time. I'm going to start making my pumpkin soup. It's actually really easy to make. All you need is pumpkin, coconut milk, chicken stock, and then some seasoning. So yeah, that's really easy. It takes about an hour and 15 minutes. I'm going to start now, and then it's going to be ready when I'm going to be hungry again, because I'm actually still stuffed from all those sweets. Sorry, this lighting is absolutely horrendous. But yeah, let's get cracking. I'm just going to carve my pumpkin. It's been a year since I've carved a pumpkin, so wish me luck. But yeah, let's go. Okay guys, pumpkin soup is ready. Nice chili flakes, and I'm also going to, excuse the state of the pumpkins everywhere, I'm going to have some gluten-free tiger bread with it. So let me pop that in the toaster. Okay guys, here is the finished pumpkin soup. I added some coriander on the top, and I've got a little slice of gluten-free bread which I'm going to dip in it. Okay, taste test for you all. Out about the bread first, just to get all the flavours. That's really nice. That is delicious. I'd say it's better than the one I made before, to be fair. Good amount of spice, good amount of seasoning, good amount of coconut milk. Right, try it with the bread. Unbelievable. Is it difficult? No, it's just...
You've got nutrient, easy.
Yeah. Pumpkin, chicken stock, and coconut milk. That's it.
What did my dad say every time? He likes experimental.
Really? This is the best gluten-free bread I've ever had.
Really?
Yeah.
Tiger bread is really nice.
Tiger bread's the
We had
best.
cornbread, I used to have to be obsessed with that.
No.
Mustard got gluten-free one. It's like when you have it, it's like quite gooey.
Delicious.
Supposed to.
This is definitely the best meal of the day, 100%. Probably was the only meal I've really had. Just eating loads of chocolate and sweets. I think what I'm going to do with the rest of that pumpkin though is make pumpkin pie. Wow. But yeah, highly recommend making this soup, guys. Unbelievable. See you for my late night snack. So just had my pumpkin spice soup and my lovely bread. It was delicious. Would highly recommend if you haven't already tried it. I might leave the recipe down below actually if anyone would like to try it. But now, snack time. I bought these in Sainsbury's. Sour Scream Halloween pretzels. I'm going to taste test them, or you will. Delicious. Oh, they're all spider webs. Wow. Wow. They are really nice. Really nice. I'll try one.
No good.
So good. Need some dip with them really.
Dry.
Very dry. I have definitely had a sugar crash as well. I won't be eating a lot of snacks for a very long time. You can keep these snacks in case anyone wants to do trick or treating.
Imagine uni students.
Someone knocks on our door. We should give them a shot.
Oh, it's such a good idea.
Yeah, well, I don't care. I actually said that earlier. Guys, I'll see you a bit later. Just gonna munch on these for a bit. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna have to end this video here. I literally feel like I'm about to explode with the amount of food and crap I have eaten today. All I've literally eaten is sweets, chocolates. Luckily I had some pumpkin soup, which gave me 1 of my 5 a day, but not enough at all. Literally, I have definitely had a sugar crash today. I would have definitely smashed this challenge a lot more, a lot better if I was allowed gluten, but I did find it really difficult because there was a lot of like Halloween sort of meals, like pizzas or baguettes that were like Halloween themed, but obviously they didn't have gluten-free versions, so I literally just had to stick to sweets and chocolate that were gluten-free. But luckily I squeezed in my pumpkin soup, which I have made previously, so I knew I could make that, and that was really, really delicious. So I will leave the recipe down below if you'd like to follow it. I did follow one sort of, but I added a lot of my own spices to it as well. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm so sorry about my absence. I've just been really all over the place since coming back to uni, and I promise I will be getting another video up very, very soon. So please subscribe and like if you haven't already, and have the best Halloween ever, guys. Love you all. Bye.